Hi everyone, welcome to researchmd.com. We got another great research presentation today. Is there an association between smartphone addiction and sleep problem? Okay. Again, all of our presentations are purely 100% science. If there's no scientific study behind it, a scientifically proven concept, that's the only time we're going to present it. Again, my name is Pramil. Cheriyath. I'm a program director, internal medicine residency and transitional residency. I teach medical students and residents. I'm also director of research, and I am an assistant professor of medicine, two large medical schools. So what is smartphone addiction? There's mainly a lack of control, right? Some people use it a short time, some people use for a long time. It can cause like several things, financial, psychological, physical, harmful consequences, okay? Some people can be like symptomatic, like they can cause stress, anxiety, depression, loneliness. It can, all of this can exacerbate in, studies have shown in the people like addicted to smartphones. So today's clinical question is like, we're going to see we did a literature search and find out, is there an association between smartphone addiction and the sleep? So we found this great study. It's a cross-sectional study done in the UK looking at the sleep disorders, so association between smartphone addiction. So the objective of the study is to investigate the prevalence of smartphone addiction, to clarify the association between smartphone addiction and the sleep outcome. Okay, so again, what's the method they use? Is like a cross-sectional observer study, a large number of patients, around 1,043 participants, age 18 to 30. So now let's look at the results, okay? So in this study, by the randomized controls, there is an association between poor sleep and addicted. So if the odds ratio is like 1.65, so like 65% more likely to have like sleep-related problem, okay? It's also found that lesser use the screen time is like less than like 3 to 2 hours, and your odds ratio kind of come down. So you will not have a sleep problem if it is less than like 3 to 2 hours. So, and then they did this multivariate analysis adjusted for age and gender, size, and the site and the screen time and the location of phone at night. And they found out those are the people who addicted to like smartphone. There's a 41% increase of odds of poor sleep. Okay, and then if there's a total daily use, so if you're using like 2 or like less than 2 hours, there's like decreased odds. That means their sleep is not that affected if it is using less than 2. So those are the results. So you have a nice diagram over here with all the results. So based on this scientific study, randomized control, we can clearly say like if you're addicted to a smartphone, you're going to get poor sleep. Okay, what do you mean by addiction? Like let's say if you're using the screen time is like more than 3 hours or like 4 hours, then you have to understand the consequences of it, like the complications. So most of the smartphone will tell you like an average use by weekly basis, on daily basis, how much screen time. So I think we should be careful, kind of look at it like how much is our screen time, try to decrease it so our sleep, which is very, very important for our health, could be improved. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with another presentation soon. Please subscribe to our channel.